Hey there, welcome to my channel. My name is Sean, and in today's video we're going to be doing a easy, simple, beginner-friendly design and hatch, just making a simple monogram using the templates that are already inside of the software. So if you're new to embroidery or you're new to hatch, they do have a lot of templates in here that you can use when you're creating your designs. So today we're going to go over monograms, and I will have some more videos coming about hatch, showing you how to create your embossed designs, showing you how to create puff designs, things like that. But today we're just going to focus on monogram. Again, this is going to be beginner friendly for those that are just getting started or just learning the software. So once you come into hatch, this is usually how it's going to look. Now I do have some templates saved, so I have my layout set the way I like it. That'll be another video for another day. Today I'm gonna just show you what normally your screen would look like once you come into hatch. And I am using parallels, so I have a MacBook that I'm using, but I downloaded parallels, and so I actually have a oops, that's my regular environment. So I have a Windows environment here on my MacBook. So as you can see down here. So if you have a Mac, you can use Hatch. You just have to download Parallels. Now, up at the top, one of the first things you want to do is select your machine. So whatever type of machine that you have, you'll want to select that. You'll want to select whether it's multi-needle or single needle, and then you'll want to select your hoop. Okay, and then so what I normally like to do is come over here and change my background. Again, I have a template set up so all my stuff comes up the same way every time, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to show you how your screen is probably going to look. So what I would do here in this field here, I'm just going to right click, and then you will go down to background and display colors. And right here, so this is the color for the background. I'm gonna change that to white. And then there's also a color for a hoop if you have a hoop up. So let's see, let me switch it to hoop so you can see. So now there's a hoop there, and if I wanted to go in and change that, I would still go back to background and display colors. And then let's say we want to turn it blue. And then so you can have, you know, your workspace or your hoop two different colors or a different color from the background. But I'm gonna go ahead and turn the hoop off. Oh, another thing about the hoop, you can also add grids there, things like that. But I'm gonna turn that off. And then over here on the side, and let me move that back to no hoop. So over here on the side is your toolboxes. So you have your managed designs, your customized, your lettering and monogram, your artwork, your auto digitize, your edit objects, digitize, applique, create layouts, multi-hooping, and output design. So today we're going to work out of the lettering monogram tab, and then we're just going to select monogramming. And then as you can see over here on the side, it actually gives you a bunch of different monogram designs that you can select from. So these are already in the system. All you have to do is just update the letters and you're good to go. So we will jump right into it, and let's pick one that I like. Let's see here. Let's do, trying to find a cute one. Let's do this one. So this one here. Now with monogram, normally it should be the first letter should be the first initial of the name. The second letter should be the last initial for the last name. And the third letter should be the middle initial. And so once you select on it, you see that it just has ABC here. Obviously, that's not the initials that I want to use. So what you would do is you're going to double click on it, and it's going to bring up the lettering tab. And then you could just select whatever letters that you want. and it's gonna create that monogram for you. And then also, let's see here. Or if you decided, okay, I don't like that one, I want to switch to this one. Now, since you've typed your initials in there, you can automatically just come through here and start selecting the monograms that you want. Let me just move this over a little bit and kind of play around with it from there. So there's a lot of options in here. Again, this was just a very quick beginner friendly video showing you how you could create some really cute monograms using the designs that are already built into the software. Now you can digitize your own monograms, of course, but if you're just wanting to, start practicing or make a design right away, or if someone reaches out to you and they request a monogram, well, you already have those options that you can offer them. So that's one thing I really like about Hatch is that you have so many different options to choose from, and it's as easy as just typing in the letters. So again, this is a very quick beginner friendly tutorial just showing you how to do a monogram within Hatch and just kind of play around with the lettering and the monogramming. This one is actually cute. This one would be really cute for like a kid's design, a kid's monogram or something like that. And then just kind of, I didn't even see this before. That was really cute. But yeah, you could just play around with it. Click on the different designs. If you want to edit something, you can. You can, if you wanted to change the colors are down here. If you wanted to change the color on something, you could definitely do that. Play around with that as well. So you have options there also. And then again, just kind of click around, play around with it, find one that you like. And then from there, once you find the design that you like, you'll want to save it twice. And I will show you that in just one moment. So I'm gonna just go back to this one here. And let's say, okay, that's the design that we want. I'm good with that. I'm gonna go ahead. I wanna stitch this out. It's the right, the height, the width, I've adjusted that to wherever I needed it to go, whatever is going on. And then you'll want to first save it in the native Hatch format, a EMB file. So you'll want to come to File, Save Design or Save Design As. And then EMB is the Hatch format that it reads. And so you'll just want to save your design, name it, whatever you're going to name it. You could say monogram and, SME. Or actually SEM. And then you can save it like that. And then, so that way, if you need to come into the software, make any edits, if you want to use that same monogram, but you want to make it smaller for something, or, you want to do like maybe a chest design versus just doing a full t-shirt design or like a left chest design or something like that. You could come in here and resize it. Now, to export it, you're going to go up to File, and you're going to export your design, and then you're going to name that design. And so mine's, I have it set up where it's automatically going to go into one of my folders. So I have one for my DTS files, I have one for my PS files, and I have a couple other folders here. So let's say we're going to save this as a DTS file. I would go ahead right here, file name it whatever it is. Usually once you save it in the Hatch format, the EMB file, your file name will be here already. And then your file type. So this is where you're going to select your different types of file formats. So JEF, SSW, EXP, PES, VP3, XXX, DST. So all the file formats that they have are here. These are pretty much what most of the machines out there are going to be in. So you should be able to find your file format for your machine, or if you're digitizing and you're going to have to save it for multiple different file formats, then you can do that here as well. So that's how you would save the design. Once you created it and you're ready to save it to your computer, then to put it onto your flash drive, so then you can plug it to your machine and go ahead and stitch out your design. So that was today's quick tutorial on monogramming. I will be dropping a few more tutorials in Hatch showing answering some of your questions regarding some of the different types of digitizing, again, for embossing designs, puff designs, things like that. I'll be showing you guys as well. But if you have any questions, let me know below in the comments. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.